I've lived in Newhucker all my life. I've probably been involved with this marae for the last 40 years, first as a committee member, then the committee amalgamated with the trustees, and I've been a trustee for a number of years now. See the paint is peeling off these windowsills here. It needs painting, and also you can see from that door and the barge boards, they desperately need painting. This back wall also has desperately needed painting. We have let the contract to do it. The painter should be coming fairly soon. What we've had to do is to put flashing along between the weatherboard and the concrete because it was rotting where the weatherboard touches the concrete, and no prime or anything had been put on when the building was built. As you can see, this ring foundation here is cracked all the way around, so that is a real concern.
No mai haere mai, ko Geraldine Oliver toko ingoa, ko toko ingoa takakau hoki. I'm the Minutes Secretary for this marae. One of our projects after the restoration of the whakaaro is to do a new entry, a waharoa at our front. We have seen many beautiful examples of waharoa. We're thinking of one which could perhaps also be the basis of a carving workshop, which our whakaaro restorer would like to hold at this marae. We've already had 2 lots of floodwater through this wharekai, and the old vinyl flooring was damaged. So it took a huge effort to scrape it off the floor, but we were lucky enough to get funding to polish the concrete, which I think looks absolutely beautiful, and it will be immune to further water damage.
Tēnā koutou katoa, ko Carol Hapi tōku ingoa. I am a trustee of the Kahungunu Community Marae, and I've been asked to do a little bit about the whakaaro and the restoration. Now, the Kahungunu Community Marae started being built in 1946 and was completed in 1949 by the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. And the master carvers, Penny and John Taiapa, were here, and they supervised all the carvings of the whakaaro, and they tutored returned servicemen. So this marae was built as a memorial for returned servicemen of World War I and II. Now, at the moment, the carvings are in need of restoration. It's been 75 years, so they've really done really well, but we are in the process of restoring and renovating some of the carvings. So it's an ongoing process, and we look to have more help with that. Yeah, we're excited to see what happens with the whakaaro in the future. They are a reflection of the whakapapa and history of Rākai Pāka and Ngāti Kahungunu, and also the LDS Church. So we look forward to any input with that. Thank you very much. Kia ora.
Kia ora whānau, ko Eva Jones taku ingoa, ko Tūmana ko Taurima taku māma, ko Waramu Pakimana Taurima taku pāpā. I am a trustee to Kahungunu Community Marae. So, my task is to show you the wharapaku, or the toilets, or the ablution block. We have got a lot of work to do around this area, so we need to get a new sewage tank, and all the piping needs to be replaced. The ablution block needs painting. Some of the showers need to be looked at because of wear and tear and rotting. The urinal in the men's needs to be completely replaced, and we need new doors on all the toilets and around the shower entrance. Okay, so and the building needs painting all around, and this little block over here is going to be dug out because this is where the old toilets used to be, and there's a few holes around the toilet that's a bit dangerous for our children, so that needs to be taken out and levelled out.